This is a small Novelty Black Forest spring-driven clock. Two people are riding on a seesaw above the face of the clock. I clean and oil the movement and then hang the clock on the wall. This is a brand new tiny little Novelty clock from the Black Forest that I picked up at an auction recently. You can see that the two guys up there sitting on the seesaw have come loose. And if you look inside, you can see that the pallets and the crutch that the guys are sitting on that make them move up and down or swing left and right has come out. So we'll put that back in a moment, but we'll look at the rest of the clock. The little pine cones and stuff down there, obviously not meant to work. The movement is one that was designed never to be worked on. It's been punched over there 4 times to hold it together. It's spring wind, which we'll wind up once we've fixed those couple of guys up. Whoop, which have just fallen out now, fair enough. There they are. It came in its original box, brand new, unopened. A whole $5 worth. There's the back door, slides up the back, and in here, in this paper envelope, we have the little pendulum bob and the key. So there it is, it comes complete. How much more do you want for $5? Alright, I'll put this aside, as in the recycle bin, and we'll start having a look at the clock. We'll put the pallet's crutch back in through the hole at the top there, and I'll put my finger on the two guys to hold them while we investigate what the story is. I'll get the first pivot into that little hole at the back there, and actually before we do that, I'll probably make it a bit easier. I'll pull this brass piece up here so we can slide. Whoop, come out again. There we go, that one's got him. Just come out again. We've got that. I'll now press that piece down that I lifted up, and we'll get the other pivot to slot into there. He says hopefully. It's certainly there at the moment. No, it's not quite right yet. It's still moving a little bit. Get a broad pair of tweezers and see if I can push that down a little bit more. It's just about there, but not quite. There we go, that's got him in. Now I'll push that piece of brass down, round it off a bit more so that it stays there. Here you can see the two guys rocking on the seesaw now that the movement has been fixed.